Hello guys, this is Press again guys, and of course guys, nandito na naman si Press to share sa inyo my latest haul this Ganban season guys. Of course guys, July pa matatapos si Ganban, so naganap tayo ng konti mapaglilibangan sa bahay, and of course to lessen our itch to fire sa labas. Of course guys, July pa naman, pero syempre masarap pa rin yung nakapag-dry fire tayo, and of course na-train natin yung mga sarili natin guys. And of course guys, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa guys. Ito guys, i-share ko sa inyo ang my latest haul this Ganban season guys, which is the Browning Backmark URX guys. And bago ang lahat guys, shoutout nga pala kay Sir James and Sir Paul sa pag-assist sa akin sa pagkuha nito guys. Yun guys. Yan guys, tingnan natin. Guys. Yan guys. Ano siya guys? Spring piston powered siya. So brake barrel din. And ang barrel niya guys, caliber 177 guys. So ano pa hinihintay natin guys? Unbox natin. Yun guys, let's unbox this bad boy guys. Yun guys, tingnan nyo naman. Napaka sturdy box siya guys. Actually guys, ano siya, made siya by Urmanex, so ano siya, so licensed product siya guys. Ayan guys, mechanical air gun Browning, so ano siya guys, powered siya by spring piston powered siya, and bala niya guys is 177 guys, 177 pellet caliber guys, like this. Ayan guys, of course brake barrel siya guys, so meaning one cock, one shot. And rifle barrel din siya guys, store for accuracy, and of course adjustable yung rear sight niya guys. So open natin. And guys, it comes with a manual, and of course the Browning guys, and of course guys the actual unit guys. And guys, napakaganda ng unit niya guys. So meron din ito, adjustable yung rear sight niya guys for accuracy rin. And of course guys, may Picatinny rail siya. May rail siya para kung gusto niyo kabitan ng mga optic. Yan guys. Of course, meron din siyang safety, fire and safety guys. Ma-activate siya guys pag binrake mo yung barrel siya like this guys. Yan guys. Yan, lalagay mo yung bala dyan guys, and then yan guys, na-activate yung safety niya dito, and then pagka ready to fire na kayo, ano mo na siya guys, and then bang, napakalakas guys. Yan guys, ang actual niya pala guys, yan guys, yun, as I've said guys, ang caliber niya is 4.5mm guys, so 177 caliber pellet. Of course, single shot guys. Safety niya is automatic, just what I've said a while ago, yung pagka kinak nyo, ma-automatic siya for safety. And then yung front sight niya is fixed, rear sight niya is adjustable guys. Total length niya is 305mm guys. Yan, total length niya guys. And weight niya is 680 grams. Yan, yung velocity niya is 90 miles per second guys pag pinutok mo. And of course, yung dangerous distance niya is 250 meters guys. So yun guys, ganda niya guys. Actually ano siya, para siyang totoong unit talaga eh. Siyempre Umarex yung gumawa guys. So yun guys, meron din mga serial number, yan, mga mga markings niya kompleto. Ganda, napaka-sturdy niya guys. Yan, metal yan dito, tas ano ba to? Polymer. Yeah, polymer. Yun guys, ganda. If you want something, you can you can play this Ganban season guys. I think it's a better choice for us, diba? Malilibang na kayo, makakapag-practice pa tayo guys. So guys, syempre itatry naman natin to guys kung gaano ba siya kalakas guys. So samahan nyo ulit ako guys. Let's press check. Hi guys, nandito na naman si Pres. And of course guys, test natin yung lakas ng Umarex backmark. Test natin sa mga hinandaan natin something dito. Yun guys, as you can see guys, butas na butas yung lata. Yan, so it proves na malakas talaga yung brake barrel na to. Hi guys, yun, na-test na natin siya. So overall experience guys dito sa Browning Backmark URX, okay siya guys. Malakas siya. So one cock, one shot siya. So ang ganda niyang pang-practice pag ngayon Ganban guys. Ang ganda sa bahay lang kayo, plinking guys. And of course yan, gagawin mo na siya. One cock, one shot siya. So yun, yung Picatinny niya guys, ang ganda. Ganda pag nilagyan ng optic guys. So planning ko siyang lagyan ng optic. Planning ko rin siyang lagyan ng optic guys. So yun lang guys. Shinare ko rin sa inyo yung newest haul ko this Ganban season. So yun guys, this is Press checking Browning Backmark URX.